So some of the ingredients you're going to need today um, will be, hold on, I'm just taking a few things out. Some of the ingredients that you're going to need to create this, I feel like I'm missing something. You're going to, of course, you're going to need your sunflower seeds. I'm going to try something with cashews. I'm going to see how that comes. I'm going to add a little cashew to it. You're going to need some celery, the romaine lettuce. This is what I'm going to put it on. Some dill, red and green pepper, tomato. I also have avocado that I'll be putting on it. I'm gonna try something with black salt because before I went vegan, and yes, I am vegan for those who don't know. Before I went vegan, I used to put eggs in my tuna salad. And shout out to Tabitha Brown, Miss Brown, for putting me on and thousands of us onto black salt, which gives things this like eggy taste. It even smells like eggs, like it's crazy. A little bit of Himalayan salt, just in case. Garlic powder, onion powder, and oregano. So those are some of the things you're going to need. Let's go ahead and rinse our dishes off. Our dishes. Let's rinse off our veggies and get started. Oh, first we gotta so part of this you're gonna have to soak the so before we rinse off the veggies, first we have to soak the raw sprouted sunflower seeds in the bowl. So you want to soak these overnight or for 4 hours. So right now it's about 2:30. That means at 6 o'clock, it'll be about time we'll be able to move on with the recipe. I have to open this bag. Hold on. So these are sprouted organic sunflower seeds with sea salt. These are by the company Go Raw, and I purchased these also from Mom's. So I'm just dumping all the seeds in there. This is serves up to 14 servings for 1/4 of a cup. So that's about 4, 8. Y'all ain't going to sit up here and listen to me count. I did horrible in math, but y'all get it. It's about 7 servings tuna. I think. Anyway, so let's taste it. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some bottled spring water. This is good. I'm going to get some bottled spring water and let these soak for 4 hours. That should be enough. It's a shell in here. Cover it up with the top. the seeds have soaked, I'm gonna just dump them all into my blender. Whoa! Pour them into my blender. Okay, so now with the same bowl that I soaked it in, I'm just gonna dump the mixture into the bowl. So you guys can see the texture. It really looks like tuna. The only thing I can't add to this that I would add if I weren't on a raw detox would be a little bit of vegan mayo. But we're gonna see how this comes. I'm gonna add my red peppers and green peppers. Mix that in. I'm gonna mix in my celery. I'm gonna mix in my dill. Yeah, this would definitely pop, even I already know, with some vegan mayo, but we gonna make this good too. So I'm just gonna cut up an onion real quick. Put a little onion in there. Add some garlic powder. Some onion powder. Oregano. A little bit of smoked paprika. Oh, some black salt. Start out by adding just a little bit in there. A little bit of mustard, because mustard is raw. Not much, just a little bit. And blend everything up. I also used to put relish in it, so I have a pickle here and a little bit of pickle juice, so I might actually add that. And right, so I'm gonna add that into this mixture. And I know the purpose of the dill was supposed to make it taste a little bit like pickle too, but I'm gonna pour a little bit of pickle juice in here. Don't judge me, judge your mom. And I'm gonna blend it up, mix it up. Let's see. Mmm. Mm. 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 Yeah. Mm. 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 Mock tuna, raw, detox meal. Mm. Mm. All right, y'all. So I have my cousin, the Flesh Living God here. That's what she goes by on Instagram. That's what we are. That's what we are.
At Flesh Living God.
So
ye are God.
Yes, she is taste testing my raw vegan tuna. So
yes, my mouth is already watering. I just can like the way you made it is just like so like. Can I eat it?
Let me see.
Can I eat it yet? Can I eat it yet?
Yeah, you can eat it. You can eat it yet.
Woo, okay, you can eat it. Okay, because I'm pescatarian, okay? I'm still working on me, all right?
That's all right.
Okay, so I'm still got a little crabs, a little shrimp here and there, a little tuna and salmon. So when I saw this vegan tuna, I said, you know what, let me take that. Let me take a little taste, a little taste tester. Girl. So you got, is that tomatoes too?
Yeah, tomatoes, avocado.
Okay. Did y'all see that? Did y'all see it?
Yeah, you gotta lean the food in.
Did you see it?
You
Okay.
like a little mug thing. Now on hers, I did put a little bit of mayo.
Yeah, because I like that vegan mayo. Okay,
so
I like a
she's
little.
She's not raw right now.
A little moist.
She like a little moist, and that's what I said. You guys.
Guac on there.
Yes.
Okay.
So
here
I
we
put
go.
it. Go ahead. You like it?
Come through. I can't eat it fast enough.
Go ahead, lean in with it like I did. Lean in with it. Let them see it.
That's good.
Yes.
Okay. It's so healthy. And it's so filling. So, you know what? I ain't even gonna talk now.
So there you have it, guys. She liked it. Loved it. Yes. Get it in. Get it in. Hey. Alright, guys, so there you have it. Raw vegan tuna. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.